Crispy snapper fish tacos with jerk yogurt sauce. If you love bold Caribbean flavors, you need to try these crispy snapper fish tacos. We've got perfectly seasoned golden fried snapper, a refreshing black bean corn salsa, and a creamy, spicy jerk yogurt sauce that takes it to the next level. Let's dive in on how to make this. So the first thing you want to do is to make your black bean corn salsa so that all the flavors can marry and get incorporated together. After you've mixed your corn, black beans, scallions, onions, bell peppers, and a zest of lime, then you can set that aside and start to cut up your fish. We already had ours filleted, so it's easy for us. Cut them into strips. Our fish was already washed in vinegar and lime, so be sure to make sure that you wash your fish. In a bowl, you just want to mix together all the powdered seasons, so we will list those in the description bar. Crack one egg, take out the eye, and give that a whisk. That same seasoning blend that we made, we're going to sprinkle some of that into the egg and give that a nice whisk. We're building flavors on top of flavors. To a bowl, add some flour and that same seasoned mix to season your flour. Then you're going to drop your fish into the egg, then into the flour, and on a plate to rest until you finish doing all of the fish. These tacos are flavor packed, easy to make, and perfect for Taco Tuesday and any day of the week. In this video, we are showing you the step-by-step on how to make these tacos from scratch. Trust me, you are going to love this. Hit the subscribe button if you're loving what you're seeing so far. To a pot, add in your oil and you're going to season that oil, building flavors, adding garlic, scotch bonnet, pimento, and thyme. Keep this on medium heat, and when the pot is hot, take out everything except for the scotch bonnet and the pimento berries and add in your fish and fry for 4 to 5 minutes on each side, or until nice and crispy, golden and brown like so. Don't forget to flip halfway into frying. Look how delicious and golden and beautiful these look already, and we're not even done. After you finish frying them, put them on a paper towel to soak off the excess oil. The way how this snapper fish is looking so crispy and delicious, I would eat it right away. But it's for the taco, so let's keep going. To a pot, you're just going to add in your tortillas. This is corn tortilla. You can use flour tortilla if you have. And just flip it a few times until it's done to your liking. Now let's get started on this jerk yogurt sauce that will take the taco to the next level. So that same seasoning blend that we've made earlier is the same exact one that is going to go into this jerk yogurt sauce to top off your taco. This is a consistency that you want. Everything will be listed in the description bar on our website, jerktavern.com. So we're going to assemble our tacos, and first tortilla shell down, then your snapper fish and that delicious black bean corn salsa. Now it's time to top off this delicious taco with that jerk yogurt sauce that takes this dish to the next level. It's so easy, so delicious, and super simple to make. Drop a comment below and let us know what's your favorite way of eating fish tacos. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your notification bells so you do not miss a tasty recipe. The full recipe is in the description below on our website.